Okay, little bird. Now you're all left. Get it? Because you're not all right.
Good one, doctor.
Moving on. All right, birdie. Now you just need to rest.
How long until he can be alright?
I would say about 9 days.
That makes sense. 9 days for number 9. Okay, doctor. I'm off to learn about the number 10.
Oh, so you're heading to Bakshadi?
Yup. Thanks for everything, doctor.